We're at Cathedral Caverns State Park today, about 40 minutes southeast of Huntsville, Alabama, where we've been camping at the Redstone Arsenal RV Park. So tour's about to start here at about 2 p.m. in a couple of minutes, so come along and hopefully we'll get some decent footage in the dark. Stalagmite forest. Well, that was quite a tour. An hour and a half, 3/4 of a mile in, 3/4 of a mile back out. Only $20 a person. I think it was well worth it, don't you? Yeah, we think it was well worth it. And look, take a look at this beautiful lodge. I'm going to turn this around. Beautiful lodge. Looks like something right out of the National Park Service. We had a good time. You ought to come here. Thanks for watching. Please click the thumbs up icon to like the video and share with your friends via email or social media. I'd love to have you subscribe, and if you do, please click the little bell icon so you'll get notifications whenever I post a new video. Goodbye.